Today on Evan Storm, Military Surprise Box.
This one is an attack helicopter.
Now those are Russian.
Wataku!
Ooh, the Blue Angel.
Stormers, I'm looking for Evan. Oh, Evan, where are you at? Okay, Stormers, I think I found him.
That was a pretty cool battle.
You like my bunker?
Yeah, that is a pretty cool bunker. It's all camouflaged out.
We made this bunker because I got inspired from all the bunkers from the Nerf gun toys that we went to today.
Oh, that's right. We did some Nerf battling today, didn't we?
Yeah, with other kids.
Yeah, we haven't been around kids very much, have we? All right, Evan, before we get started, let's do a couple of shout-outs. The first one goes to Ismail from Indiana. He just had a birthday and he turned 3 years old. Hello, Ismael.
Hi, Ismael. Happy birthday.
Yeah, you're awesome. And the next person is Colin from North Carolina. He also just turned 3 years old, Evan.
Hi, Colleen from North Carolina. Happy birthday.
Okay, Evan, so what do we have for the Stormers today?
Today, we have a mystery Army Men surprise box.
Actually, it's not Army men, but it is military. Where did we find this box at?
At a flea market that we went to the other day.
That's right. There's a giant flea market not too far from our house, and we go every now and then, and we found this really cool lot of military toys.
Here it is.
Check this out,
Here
Stormers.
it is, Stormers. The first thing that is in here is a bomber.
Ooh, it's a military jet. What kind of jet is this, Evan?
It's a bomber.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it says the Marines on it. It's
Yeah.
a U.S. Marines jet. Okay, this thing's actually called an 8B Harrier bomber. Let's just move this over here, Evan. All right, what's next in that box?
Next up, we have a troop transport helicopter. We have a Apache one.
Let's see. Oh, United States Army.
And look at those missiles.
That is a really cool helicopter. It's a troop transport?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. And the next one is another helicopter.
Is that the same kind?
No, it's not.
Are you sure?
This one is plastic, and this one's metal, and this one is an attack helicopter, and this one is a troop transport helicopter.
Okay, this one is metal, huh? Okay, so we have a transport here, and then we
then
have an attack helicopter.
The next one is
That's a World War II airplane, Evan.
yeah,
Okay, now this plane though is not a jet because, do you know why?
Why?
Well, it doesn't have jet engines. The engine's on the front right here. This is called a prop plane. This is the P-51 Mustang, I believe, Evan.
Yeah.
This is one of the most famous fighter planes of all time right here.
And one of the strongest, at least in World War II.
Yes, these things could fly a long ways. They could fly really high up in the air.
They could fly like even higher than a roof. Next ones we have
What is it, Evan?
two Russian jet fighters.
Oh, those are Russian?
Wataku!
What?
Wataku, that's what you say to attack in Russian.
Oh, how do you know Russian?
My mom? Hi, all my Russian friends.
We have two of those. That's awesome.
Yeah.
This is a good find so far. What else is in there, Evan? Any American jets?
Oh, we got one of the new American jets. This is a new American jet.
What is it? Let's see. Let's see.
It is the new one.
Oh, this is the F-35 Lightning. All right, Evan, what else is in this box?
It's also OP. We have a stealth bomber.
Oh.
A stealth bomber.
Evan, it's hard to believe, but these things have been around for,
A really long time.
yeah, like 30 years. Isn't that hard to believe? Which, well, you might not understand that, but these things have been around for a long time.
Yeah, they've been around for.
And when these came out, this was the latest and the best technology that there was. Radars could not see these jets.
This plane is the F-117 Nighthawk stealth attack aircraft.
What else we got?
The next one that we have is one of the other new jet fighters.
Ooh, now this is a jet fighter for sure.
This is the FA-18 Super Hornet.
I think these are all used, or at least they're opened.
Yeah, and now we're getting to some of the big boy ones.
We are, but Evan, they're still in really good shape though. Yeah. Besides that one being broken, they're pretty clean too. So for some reason, Stormers, this lot of jets actually has some new ones in here too. Huh,
Yes.
Evan? All right, pull one out. Let's see what it is.
Oh, we got a bomber. We got a bomber. We got a bomber.
I don't think it's a bomber. I think this is a communications plane. You see this right here, that round thing? That's actually a radar system or some kind of communication system. Oh, Evan's getting a little bit stronger, Stormers. What kind of plane is this? Is it a jet or is it a prop plane? All right,
No, it's a prop.
It's a prop plane. How many props does it have, or engines?
2.
That's right, it has 2. 1, 2. One on each side, right? And then on top, some kind of communication radar system of some sort.
This plane is the E-2C Hawkeye early warning aircraft.
next in that box?
Oh, this one's big. This one's big. This one is very big.
What is this?
Now that is a jet. Yeah. Whoa, look how big this thing is. Look, Stormers, there's a bones on this thing.
Okay, Evan, this is a U.S. Navy F-14.
Oh, that is...
This plane is the F-14 Tomcat fighter.
The next one we have, it's also pretty big.
All right, what is this?
Now let's rip it again.
Oh, this one's kind of funny looking.
This one doesn't want to. It's a B-1B Lancer.
This plane is the B-1B Lancer Supersonic Bomber.
This is our last one. What is it?
Wait, I don't think this one's really a military jet. I think this one's like a showcase.
Ooh, I think this is a Blue Angel.
A Blue Angel?
Yes,
Huh?
a U.S. Navy Blue Angel. Okay, Evan, so this is a U.S. Navy FA-18.
Yeah.
Which is, I guess, the U.S. Navy kind of a stunt team. And they fly around and do exhibition shows.
This plane is the FA-18 Hornet.
Okay, Evan, so this is our new military airplane collection. Hey, if you guys like this video, go ahead and just give us a thumbs up. And if you're not a Stormer yet, hit that subscribe button. All right, Evan, it's time for us to go.
Yeah.
All right, Stormers, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Bye, Stormers. I'll see you next time. Bye. Boom.